All right, welcome back, Potter Maniacs. Hope you're enjoying the cooking series. Tonight is the 6th installment, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. Let's light the candles up. Lumos! Wow, how amazing is that? All right, tonight we have a great option for the food dish. Let's get into it. All right, so for tonight's baked ziti, we're doing a gluten-free red lentil with the truff. If you haven't tried this stuff, they have it in the spicy and the regular. We love it. This is a dish I prepared for Nicole when we first kind of started dating, and she was obsessed with it. I actually made one that was a little too spicy, but this one will not be. But the great thing about red lentil, high in protein, low fat, and lots of fiber. So it's really healthy for you and a good option when it comes to pasta. All right, we have our pasta done right here. Just got to get in here. We're going to use some of the truff olive oil just to coat it real quick, and then mix in the truff sauce, and then put them in these little bowls and under the broiler. All right, we got a beautiful cheese melt on there with the Parmesan. We're drinking a Bel Posto Montepulciano di Abruzzo. And we've got our little beautiful whiskey room almost complete. We're waiting on some chairs here. So not the full review, but definitely a nice little setup. Can't wait to try this. One of my favorite dishes are baked ziti. Hope you guys enjoyed. We're gonna go enjoy Harry Potter after this. Till next week, we got 2 left. See ya. All right, little filler at the end. We did homemade butterscotch pudding with whipped cream and old fashioned with the 1792. Foolproof. Oh, so good. Did this kind of like for the butterbeer. It's delicious. Just a Jell-O pudding. I know it's not healthy, but at least it tastes like Harry Potter. So that's all that matters. See ya.